Hello guys, this is just a quick video to show you this cable that I just bought from AliExpress. It's a magnetic micro USB cable. So basically you plug this on this end right here that goes to your phone, and then when you want to charge it you just put it there, and when you want to disconnect you just do that. For example, you have this phone right here. There we go. So when you want to unplug, you just do that. When you want to plug, very easy. It's reversible, so it doesn't matter which direction it's in. Sorry about this trash. And okay guys, I want to jump in here and point out something. In order to pull out the cable, you actually have to twist it rather than pulling. If you pull, the adapter is going to come off with the cable. So you have to twist the cable so you don't pull the adapter off. I forgot to mention that in the video, so that's why I have to jump in here and let you guys know that. It's very easy to do when you're not looking directly at it. So now let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. This side plugs into here to your regular charger, and you're gonna see this blue light, and there you can tell it's charging. Another thing I forgot to mention is that you don't have to actually have the phone inside the case for this adapter to work, but I think it's better if you have a case on it because it kind of sticks out about 1 or 2 millimeters, so it's a bit unsightly. So in my opinion, it's better to have a case on the phone. And the cool thing about this is that when I bought it just for charging. I didn't buy it for anything else. Look how easy that is. And this stays lit, so if it's dark, it can be very dark. It's easy to find in the darkness. Let's turn the lights off just for show. And there we go. So in the darkness you can just look for it, and it's easy to find. And the other cool thing about this cable is that it actually transfers data. It has the ability to transfer data. I did not think that it would be able to do that. I just didn't think it was possible, but if you look closely, and I know that's not going to show, it has the segmented terminals where it's able to transfer data. For example, if you connect this to your computer and download whatever you have in here, music or video, you can do that. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.